And let's get you all the updates on the farmers' agitation. Ahead of the third round of talks between the government and farmers at 2 p.m, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is holding a crucial meet at his residence. Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar, as well as the Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Piyush Goyal, are all present at this meeting. This comes 2 days after talks between the centre and agitating farmers ended inconclusively. The farmers have in fact toughened their stand, announcing a nationwide protest on 8th December if the government doesn't concede to their demands. Sources reveal that in the previous meeting, the centre did show some flexibility. They had indicated that it is willing to consider few amendments. This includes changes in Section 6 to bring taxation for private mandis outside APMC.
मीटिंग शुरू होगी, बातचीत होगी, उसके बाद ही ये कुछ कहा जा सकता है कि किस दिशा में आगे बढ़ेंगे।
सर, आज भी आप होपफुल है कि कहीं आगे का रास्ता निकलेगा? कुछ किसानों के बयान आ रहे हैं, सिरसा जी कह रहे हैं जो आपके साथ मीटिंग में आते हैं, उनका कहना है आप रिटर्न में भी एमएसपी देंगे तो भी वो मानने को तैयार नहीं है। कानून
देखिए, दरअसल बैठक में जो बात होगी उसी पर भरोसा किया जा सकता है और कुल मिला के मैं तो आशावान हूँ कि निश्चित रूप से किसान सकारात्मक दिशा में सोचेंगे और आंदोलन का रास्ता छोड़ेंगे।
Anand Patel is joining us live with more details. So on this, he's reporting from outside Prime Minister Modi's residence. Anand, this meeting very crucial because it comes just hours before the centre is set to hold another round of talks. Is there expected to be a rethink of the government strategy going into this round of dialogue?
Well, certainly, Akshita, this is the fifth round of talks today between the centre and the farmers, and the manner in which the round 4 ended in a deadlock despite government offering amendments, 3 crucial amendments, Akshita, as you were mentioning. The government is ready to give a written assurance on MSP. The government is willing to amend the APMC law and bring the private mandis at par as far as taxation is concerned. And also, as far as the contract farming is concerned, the government is ready to allow the farmers to go to courts beyond the SDMs. So these are 3 big concessions. But the farmers are adamant and they have been saying that they will not accept anything less than repealing the 3 acts. Now that has led to a deadlock between the centre and the farmers. And ahead of the fifth round of talks today, a big meeting is taking place at the Prime Minister's residence. Country's top executive has now swung into action, Akshita, and he is flanked by the Home Minister, who's there with all the inputs of what is happening all around the country. It's not just limited to Punjab and Haryana, it's spreading like a wildfire. You know, the Delhi borders are already choked. It is spreading down south as well. And the trade unions are also joining the ranks with the farmers. Now, this is turning out to be an all-India protest now. And the farmers are moving a step ahead of the government. Even before the fifth round of talks, the farmers have announced a Bharat Bandh on the 8th of December. So clearly, they have mounted pressure on the government. Now it's up to the government to take the further steps and look into the demands of the farmers and try to bring them onto talking tables and try and make them understand that what the best can be done for them. So all eyes on this meeting, which is going to conclude shortly.
Okay, and we will focus on what really the takeaways is from that meeting. But Anand, for the moment, thank you for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.